So in order to install it, we have to just download the whole repository. Here we have a Docker Compose YAML file. I already did this and I uploaded this on a server. This server is this one. We can find it here on FileZilla. I uploaded this here, and all I have to do is just to start the application using this Docker Compose. So I will go here on command line. In this command line, I'm connected to the server. And all I have to do is Docker Compose app -d. Sorry. And this starts the application. Now I have an overview of the containers that are running on this YAML file, which is the architecture of the application. So we have two main front ends. The first one is this Sofia front end, and the second one is the Sofia author front end. So the first one, Sofia front end, is the front end application, is an Angular application that runs on port 5000 that is used by the end users. This is connected to an API gateway on the back end, which is connected to the back end of the actual application, Sofia backend application. And the same is on the other application, the Sofia author, which is used by us. We use this application to configure and create the actual application of the end user. The front end is here, is also in Angular. This runs on 5001 port, and it is connected to a backend, the Sofia author backend application. Both those applications are connected to a MySQL database on the background and a Redis server for crashing several things on the applications. On MySQL, we have two databases. The one is currently called Sofia, and the second one is Sofia author. Those applications are used to, the first one has the data of the user of the application. The second one has all the configuration that we do through Sofia author. And also we have two more user interfaces. One is the first one on 4801 port is used to connect to the database, and the second one is used to connect to, is a user interface again to connect to Redis server. And there is a last one, container, which is Dozzle. This is used to be able to check the logs of all the of anything here, all the other containers. The logs can be shown by a user interface here that runs on 8081 port. So that's the architecture of the project. So let's go and open a few things of those to check them. Let's, for example, open the first application here on the end user application on port 5000, the author application on port 5001, and also we can check the database here and the logs. So if I go on port 5000, we have the end users application. On 5001, we have authors application here, and the database is in on 4801 port, where we can see the two databases. The one is named Sofia, and the other one is actually named application DB. And Dozzle is this one, this container on 8081. Here we can check all the other containers running and get to see the logs from this one. So after installation, we can see the end users application, which is on port 5000. And there's a default user running, which is also called Sofia, with Sofia password. With just samples here, we have a sample dashboard and some menus, sample menus and so on. And then we have the on port 5001, we can see the author's application. Here we can connect here with admin user. And here there are the many menus from which we can start implementing the end user's application.